As a first-timer to Japan, I have to say, it has so far completely lived up to all my expectations. Our 9-day Cultural Wonders of Japan voyage aboard Scenic Eclipse has seamlessly combined incredible experiences on land with the ultimate in luxury and indulgence on board. Hello there. Just in case you're curious, which I know you are, I thought I'd show you inside one of the suites on board. And by the way, on Scenic Eclipse, they are not called cabins or rooms. These are most definitely suites. It goes without saying that every room, I mean suite, it has a lovely open balcony that you can watch the view go by. But I want you to see this. How about the view from the bath? I love it. Of the 114 suites on board, this one is my personal fave. With the signature double-size spa bath, the spa suites offer the kind of opulence that comes with travelling aboard a 6-star Discovery yacht. And while we happily wallow in our oversized guest suites, Scenic Eclipse gently glides us to our next port of call. You may not have heard of Sado Island before, but I'll bet you've heard of the actor Robert De Niro and quite possibly the Japanese restaurant that he has a share in. It's called Nobu, and at Nobu they only have one sake on the menu. Their favourite is from this island, and we are going to the brewery. Sake is undoubtedly Japan's national drink, and being blessed with plentiful supplies of water and rice, Sado Island produces some of the country's finest varieties. While Sado Island has several sake breweries, Hokusetsu boasts a reputation as a favourite among Hollywood celebrities. It is little wonder that they take the delicate sake brewing process so seriously. Can you hear that music? In this cold, dark, timber-lined room, the sake is being aged on a bed of ultrasonic waves, and I've just been told that music was composed especially to keep the sake happy. Famous Japanese composer made it just for this brewery, to keep it happy. I love that. With a history dating back almost 2,000 years, sake drinking is somewhat of a national pastime. I had no idea that, like wine, there were all sorts of different flavours of sake. So this is the classic, the Nobu. I'll go that one first.
これはクラシックですね。
はい。Oh, it's sweet. Oh, I like that. I like that. I am surprised because normally I wouldn't really like sake. I thought it was too bitter, but that is like a cool Sauvignon Blanc wine that is, it's light and fruity. I like that. Okay, next. The thing that I am loving about the free choice excursions on offer every single day with Scenic is the diversity of the experiences and just the ability to be completely interactive. It may surprise you, but the Taiko drumming workshop offered on Sado Island requires absolutely no experience. Beginners are warmly welcome to unleash their inner rock star. Sado Island Taiko Center is the home base of Kodo, a professional drumming troupe that tours throughout Japan and right around the world. Can you believe it has taken me this long to figure out why everyone who visits Japan falls under her spell? I get it now. The magic is real. For me, though, at this point, I am genuinely startled by just how calm and how clean everything is. Also, how kind the locals are. And the cherry on top for this journey is uncovering Japan's fascinating history. There's more to come.